Buongiorno, fellow travelers, and welcome to Lake Como, the crown jewel of northern Italy. Today, we're embarking on an unforgettable journey through some of the most enchanting towns that adorn the shores of this mesmerizing lake. From the romantic alleys of Bellagio to the bustling streets of Como, the serene promenades of Menaggio to the opulent gardens of Tremezzo, and the quaint charm of Varenna, each town offers a unique slice of Italian paradise. Join us as we immerse ourselves in the rich culture, stunning architecture, and breathtaking landscapes that define the essence of Lake Como. Whether you're craving adventure, relaxation, or simply a taste of la dolce vita, Lake Como has something for everyone. We start our journey at Bellagio. Bellagio, often called the Pearl of Lake Como, is a picturesque village renowned for its stunning beauty and charming ambience. Nestled at the junction where the lake's three branches meet, Bellagio offers breathtaking panoramic views. Visitors can explore Villa Melzi, with its beautifully landscaped gardens and exotic plants, or take a guided tour of the lush gardens at Villa Serbelloni. The historic center, with its narrow cobbled streets, boutique shops and cozy cafes, invites leisurely strolls. The lakeside promenade and La Punta Spartivento provide serene spots to relax and enjoy the scenery. Adventurous visitors can engage in water sports like kayaking or paddleboarding, or hike the scenic trails surrounding the village. Bellagio also boasts delightful dining experiences, offering local Italian cuisine and fine wines. This enchanting destination combines natural beauty, cultural richness, and a tranquil atmosphere, making it a must-visit on Lake Como. Traveling around the lake is effortless, as the lake is served by a frequent car and foot passenger ferry service. The ferry travels between Bellagio, Menaggio, and Varenna, and only costs a few euros. Embarking on a scenic boat tour around the lake reveals its hidden gems. Glide over crystal-clear waters, weaving through a panorama of lush landscapes and grand villas that whisper tales of a bygone era waiting to be discovered. We travel to Villa Carlotta, located in Tremezzo. It's a splendid 18th century villa, renowned for its exquisite gardens and art collections. Built in 1690, the villa is named after Princess Carlotta of Prussia, who received it as a wedding gift. The 20-acre gardens are a major attraction, featuring a diverse array of plants including azaleas, rhododendrons, camellias, and centuries-old trees. Springtime brings a spectacular display of colorful blooms. Inside the villa, visitors can admire masterpieces by renowned artists such as Antonio Canova and Bertel Thorvaldsen. The interior showcases elegant rooms with period furniture, marble sculptures, and beautiful frescoes. The villa's terrace offers stunning views of Lake Como and the surrounding mountains, making it a perfect spot for photography. Villa Carlotta blends historical charm, artistic heritage, and natural beauty, offering a serene and enriching experience for visitors exploring Lake Como. Our next stop on the lake takes us to Varenna. Varenna, a charming village on the eastern shore of Lake Como, is renowned for its picturesque beauty and tranquil ambience. With its colorful houses, narrow cobblestone streets, and stunning lakeside setting, Varenna offers a quintessential Italian experience. Key attractions include the historic Villa Monastero, known for its beautiful botanical gardens that stretch along the lake and its elegant interiors, and Castello di Vezio, a medieval castle offering panoramic views of the lake and surrounding mountains. The village's waterfront promenade, Passeggiata degli Innamorati, or Lover's Walk in English, is perfect for leisurely strolls, providing romantic vistas and access to cozy cafes and restaurants. Varenna is also home to the Church of San Giorgio, a Romanesque church with impressive frescoes. Easily accessible by ferry, Varenna serves as an excellent base for exploring other Lake Como destinations. Its blend of history, natural beauty, and serene atmosphere makes it a must-visit spot on Lake Como. We now visit Como, the vibrant town at the southern tip of the lake. It's a perfect blend of historical charm and modern appeal. Dominating the skyline is the stunning Como Cathedral, an exquisite example of Gothic architecture with intricate facades and beautiful stained glass windows. The town's historic center is a maze of narrow streets, lined with elegant shops, cafes, and restaurants. A must-visit is the scenic funicular ride to Brunate, offering panoramic views of the lake and surrounding Alps. Como's waterfront promenade is ideal for leisurely walks, providing access to parks, gardens, and the picturesque Piazza Cavour. The town also boasts impressive villas such as Villa Olmo, known for its grand architecture and lovely gardens. The Tempio Voltiano Museum, dedicated to the physicist Alessandro Volta, inventor of the electric battery, is another highlight. Combining rich history, cultural attractions, and stunning natural beauty, Como is an essential stop on any Lake Como itinerary. Nestled in the heart of the lake is our next stop, the historic streets of Menaggio. Menaggio, a charming town on the western shore of Lake Como, is known for its beautiful lakeside promenade and scenic mountain backdrop. The town's historic center features narrow streets, quaint shops and inviting cafes, providing a quintessential Italian atmosphere. The lakeside promenade, lined with elegant villas and well-tended gardens, offers stunning views across the lake and is perfect for a relaxing stroll. Menaggio is also an excellent base for outdoor activities, with easy access to hiking trails in the surrounding hills and mountains, such as the popular trail to Rifugio Menaggio, which offers breathtaking vistas. Visitors can enjoy water sports like kayaking and sailing on the lake, or relax at the Lido di Menaggio, a lakeside beach and swimming area. The nearby Menaggio and Cadenabbia Golf Club, one of the oldest in Italy, attracts golf enthusiasts with its challenging course and scenic setting. Combining natural beauty, leisure activities, and a relaxed ambience, Menaggio is a delightful destination on Lake Como. We now call into Tremezzo, nestled on the western shore of the lake. It's a picturesque village known for its opulent villas and stunning gardens. The lakeside promenade in Tremezzo is perfect for a leisurely stroll, offering breathtaking views of the lake and surrounding mountains. Dotted with charming cafes and restaurants, it provides a serene atmosphere to relax and enjoy the local cuisine. The Church of San Lorenzo, with its distinctive bell tower, is a notable landmark and adds to the village's historical charm. For outdoor enthusiasts, Tremezzo offers easy access to scenic hiking trails in the surrounding hills. The Greenway del Lago di Como is a popular walking path that passes through Tremezzo, providing stunning views and connecting several picturesque villages along the lake. Tremezzo serves as an excellent base for exploring nearby attractions. Just a short distance away is the enchanting village of Leno, home to the iconic Villa del Balbianello. This villa is famous for its beautifully terraced gardens and has been featured in several films including Star Wars Episode II and Casino Royale. Luxury finds a definitive home at the Grand Hotel Tremezzo. This iconic hotel, perched on the shores of Lake Como, offers guests unparalleled views of the lake's azure waters and the Green Mountains. With its exquisite architecture, sumptuous accommodations, and impeccable service, the hotel embodies the elegance and allure of the Italian lakeside lifestyle. A stay here not only promises relaxation, but also an immersive experience into the opulence that has long defined Lake Como. As the sun dips below the horizon, Lake Como transforms into a canvas of fiery hues. The best spots for sunset watching become sought-after retreats, where the day's end brings breathtaking views that linger in memory. The best places to witness this spectacle include the tranquil shores of Varenna and the romantic promenade in Bellagio. Here, the sunset not only paints the sky but also casts a golden glow on the serene waters, creating a perfect backdrop for an evening stroll or a quiet moment of reflection. Lake Como sets the scene for romance with its idyllic spots that seem crafted for couples. Imagine strolling hand in hand through lush gardens, embarking on a private boat tour, or dining by candlelight with the lake as your backdrop. It's the perfect setting for creating unforgettable memories together for years to come. And that's the end of our unforgettable journey through the stunning towns of Lake Como. From the timeless elegance of Bellagio to the historical charm of Como, the scenic beauty of Menaggio to the lush gardens of Tremezzo and the idyllic shores of Varenna, each destination has left an indelible mark on our hearts. We hope you've enjoyed exploring Lake Como with us and that this video has inspired you to plan your own Italian adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration. More exciting destinations can be found now by clicking the boxes that are on the screen. Until next time, safe journeys and happy travels.